Hey, kindergarten, happy Thursday. Today is Fun Activity with Your Teacher Day. And today we're going to use some of our senses. We have 5 senses, which would be sight, hearing, taste, touch, smell. We're going to use 2 of them. Today we're going to use our ears and we're going to be using our eyes to do some activities. So I'm going to show you how the activities work. And then on Google Classroom, if you would like to play some more of these games and challenge yourselves, I will put a bunch up on Google Classroom. So this one is called Guess the Sound. Let's do it together. Did you hear that? I'm going to back it up a little bit. Listen for the sound. I think I know what it is. If you think you know what it is, say it out loud. Did you say bowling strike? Number 2. I'm going to say toilet flushing. Nice job. An owl? Nice job. I'm not going to say a word this time. A pen. Very good. Did you guess vacuuming? Did you guess a hen? I'm good at that one. Say shower, maybe? Oh, see? That's close. Water running. Oh, a clock. That's not something we hear very often these days. Let's say ducks. Yay! Did you know the pretty one is the dad, is the boy? Scissors? Did you guess scissors? Cutting paper? Good job. Ooh, a jet passing by overhead. Oh, we did this one already. Oh, a pigeon. Kind of reminded me a little bit of the owl. Ooh, a cat purring. I was going to say somebody snoring, but it was too fast. Lawnmower. today. Swing. Ooh, not what I thought. Trees in the wind. Pencil sharpener. Ooh, electric screwdriver. A crow. Goat? Or sheep? Goat or a sheep? Yay! Oh, look at the little babies! I guess he's number 6. Trying to blow your nose in a tissue? Ah, there it is. Now he needs to go get some hand sanitizer. Very good, kindergarten. Now, if this is something that you're enjoying, what you can do is get a piece of paper and a pencil and or a crayon just to keep score. And as you're going through the video, give yourself a little check or an X or a star if you get it right before they show the picture, and then count up how many now we're going to use right our for that video of eyesight. Everybody ready? Now this one is not only going to involve our ears, our eyes. This is going to involve how well we know our letter sounds. So this is extra cool, this activity. Here we go. I spy with my little eye
something beginning with
S. All right, let's spot it. Where is it? Point to it if you think you see an S word. Is that what you were pointing to?
Sock.
Nice.
I spy with my little eye something beginning with A.
A apple, A. Ooh, point to it if you see it. Nice job. That's what I was looking at.
I spy with my little eye something beginning with
T. T-top, ta. Ooh.
Teddy.
Teddy. I also saw a tree, but
I spy with my little eye something beginning with
P, Pam, pa. Oh, I see.
Panda.
Yay, panda.
I spy with my little eye something beginning with I.
I. That's a fancy eye. I. I think I got it.
I. Igloo.
Now, the cool thing about this being a video is that you can, if it's taking you a little longer to find the object that starts with each letter, you can actually pause it and give yourself as much time as you need to find the object that they're asking for.
I spy with my little eye something beginning with
See, I can pause it right here and give myself as much time as I need when it comes to finding the picture. No. I think I have it. See?
Nest.
Good.
I spy with my little eye something beginning with
Man. Let's see here. Ooh, mushroom. Does anybody eat mushrooms?
I spy with my little eye something beginning with D.
D. D-dog, duh. Let's see. Looking. Oh, I think I see a D word. Dolphin.
D. Dolphin.
Yay. Okay, so another fun way that you can do a video like this is get somebody in your family to do this with you and see who can find the object first. Okay, kind of make it like a race. Okay, there's one more that I thought was fun. So that one was using our eyesight. The first one was using our ears. This one is also using our eyesight.
Welcome to I Spy.
It's Chase from Paw Patrol.
Okay, so as you can see, similar concept. What can you spy with your little eye? So they will show you the object and then you have to look carefully. And I thought this one was really cute because it has a lot of the things that I know that you guys like and enjoy. Let's see a couple.
The number 2.
See it? Super.
Marshall.
Where's Marshall? Ooh.
Hot Wheels race car.
Got it, just in time.
Princess Poppy.
I see her. Great. So this activity I am going to also put on Google Classroom, but you will find on Google Classroom a ton of activities like this that can work, strengthen your eyes, it can strengthen your ears, and it can strengthen your skills with sounding out words and letter sounds and what words start with or end with, things like that. It's called phonics. Okay, so it will strengthen that as well. I hope you have a really, really great time with this. Have fun. And I can't wait to hear about your experience with What's That Sound and I Spy. Have a great time, and I'll talk to you soon.